Hello, fellow clutter enthusiasts. Welcome to the definitive guide to staying overwhelmed. Today, we embark on a journey, exploring 7 counterproductive habits that keep us mired in a mess. From the magic of laziness to the allure of quantity over quality, we'll delve into the fascinating world of disarray. Consider this your guide to mastering the art of clutter, a seemingly earnest manual to a life filled with confusion and chaos. So, buckle up and let's dive into the labyrinth of overwhelming clutter. Our first step on this journey is embracing our inner sloth. Meet our first character, Procrastination Pete. He's quite the character, always finding ways to avoid doing what needs to be done. "I'll do it tomorrow and I'm just too tired," are his favorite phrases. You see, Pete believes that laziness is a lifestyle, not a choice, and who can blame him? There's always something more interesting to do than cleaning, right? Pete's house, unsurprisingly, is a testament to his way of life. Dishes pile up in the sink, laundry forms mountains in the corner, and dust bunnies have claimed squatters' rights. But Pete doesn't seem to mind. He's got his procrastination down to a science. However, there's a downside to Pete's laid-back approach. His living space becomes increasingly chaotic, making it harder to find things. And let's not even start on the hygiene issues. Remember, folks, why do today what you can put off until tomorrow? Don't miss out on the laughter, the learning, and the sheer awesomeness. Hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. Next, we delve into the chaotic world of disorganization. Say hello to our friend Messy Molly. Ah, the beauty of disorganization, where every day is a treasure hunt, and you're always on a journey to find that one elusive item. Messy Molly's home is a labyrinth of possibilities. Who needs designated spaces when the whole house is your canvas? Every item is a nomad, freely roaming from room to room, making each day a new adventure. But wait, there's a plot twist. This lack of system, this delightful disorder soon spirals into chaos. Molly spends more time looking for her keys than actually driving her car. The remote control? It's playing hide and seek in the couch cushions. Yes, disorganization is a thrilling roller coaster ride, but it's also a vortex that swallows time and energy. Remember, friends, a place for everything and everything, somewhere. Now let's meet our next character, Hoarding Henry, a man who never met a trinket he didn't like. Henry has a special skill. He can find a sentimental value in everything. Yes, even that old chipped coffee mug from a garage sale. It's not just about physical items for Henry, it's about the stories, the memories, the emotions. Every item is a time capsule, a piece of his life's jigsaw puzzle. But here's the catch. Henry's house is bursting at the seams with these pieces of the past. His living room is more of a storage unit than a place of comfort. His life, a perpetual yard sale where nothing is ever sold. But Henry doesn't see it as a problem, it's his way of life. As Henry always says, you can't have too much of a good thing or a bad thing or anything really. Next up, meet Impulsive Ivy, the queen of starting tasks and the master of not finishing them. Ivy's life is a whirlwind of chaos, a symphony of unfinished melodies. One moment, she's dusting off the bookshelf, the next, she's sorting through old clothes. Before you know it, she's halfway through reorganizing the kitchen cabinets, leaving a trail of disorder in her wake. Her lack of focus and constant distractions make her living space a living nightmare. Piles of half-sorted items, dishes half-washed, books half-read, they all add up to a cluttered environment that spirals out of control with each impulsive decision. This behavior doesn't just exacerbate the clutter, it's the very essence of it. Ivy's impulsivity is the fuel that feeds the fire, the wind that stirs the storm, and in the end, the thrill of starting a new task always wins over the satisfaction of completing one. Remember, why finish one task when you can start another? Now let's journey into the life of No Schedule Nick. Who needs a plan when chaos is so much fun? Welcome to the world of Nick, a firm believer in the spontaneity of life. He lives each day as it comes with no structure or routine. His motto? Why be predictable when unpredictability is so liberating? Cleaning, decluttering, organizing? Oh, those are things Nick does when he has time, which he thinks he never does because he has no plan or schedule. Nick's living space is a testament to his free-spirited lifestyle. His belongings lie strewn about, playing a never-ending game of hide-and-seek with him. The dust bunnies under his bed are forming an ecosystem that would make a biologist's heart flutter. The piles of clutter continue to grow like a modern art installation that's always a work in progress. Nick's life is a perpetual whirlwind of chaos, a symphony of disorder that he conducts with confidence. Remember, life's too short to organize. Meet our next character, Solo Sally, the one-woman show of household chores. Sally lives in a world where cleaning is a game of hot potato and everyone else always seems to be it. This modern-day Cinderella, minus the fairy godmother and prince, navigates a home where everyone staunchly believes it's someone else's job to clean. Can you imagine the strain this puts on relationships? Well, you don't have to. Picture dirty dishes piling up in the sink, dust mounting on every surface, and a laundry mountain that's one dirty sock away from a landslide. The household tension rises faster than the dust particles in the sunlight. But wait, there's more. The home's condition deteriorates faster than your patience on a Monday morning. The home smells, the carpet stains, and the clutter grows, all while everyone points fingers. Remember, sharing is caring, but not when it comes to chores. Finally, let's meet Bargain Bob, a man who never met a deal he didn't like. Bob's motto is quantity over quality. He's a firm believer in the power of a good bargain, often bringing home truckloads of items he doesn't particularly need or even like, simply because they were on sale. Bob's home is a labyrinth of discount items piled high and wide. From stacks of generic brand potato chips to a mountain of mismatched socks, Bob's living space is a testament to the allure of bulk purchases and low-cost deals. He's convinced that he's saving money, but what he gains in quantity, he loses in quality and space. The irony is, the more he buys, the less room he has to live. His possessions are slowly taking over, turning his home into a warehouse of unnecessary belongings. And the cost? Not just his living space, but also peace of mind and, eventually, his wallet. As Bob says, why buy one when you can have 10 for twice the price? Well, friends, it's been a wild ride through the world of clutter and overwhelm. We've seen the chaos, the stress, the disarray. It's been a journey, hasn't it? But here's the twist. Our aim? To show you the pitfalls of a cluttered life, the hidden costs of disorganization. So, take a moment, reflect. Consider the joy of decluttering, the peace of mind with an organized space. Remember, folks, cleanliness might be next to godliness, but chaos is so much more fun. Or is it? If you can relate to any of the characters in this video, let us know which one in the comments below. Also, if you found any of this valuable, give us a like.